Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. This is now the 15th video I've actually made on my 2009 Jeep Wrangler, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the door panel or door card. Now the reason you may want to do this is to get to your door locking system or also the electric window system. So relatively easy to do, and all we're going to need is one number 2 Phillips screwdriver. So I'll show you it right now. So like I said, it's relatively easy to do. There's 2 screws in here. There's 2 screws down in this corner. We're going to take those all the way out. And the same for the 2 down in the bottom corner. With those 4 screws now loose, we can actually just start to lift this round. Just move your fingers all the way around and you'll see the poppers start to come off. Make sure you go to both sides. There we go. Right, now when we get to this stage here, I'll actually move the camera because there is an electrical connection to the door locking system there, just to that switch. And I'll show you that just from the other side in a second. As you can see, most of the door card is actually off now, and what we're going to do is just work it up on that sill at the top. That just comes off, and then we've got this electrical connection down here, and you're just going to give that a squeeze at the top, and that comes out nice and easy. That's what the back looks like. So you can see all of these poppers here. So mine are all intact. Sometimes they get broken off, but these are all intact. Just having a look behind the door card now. This is your electric window motor. This is obviously your door locking system, and you can see the 2 cables that actually go to the lock, which is just in here. And then that is the connection that goes on to the lock-in switch that we just took off. Now if you do want to get to the door lock, you do have to go behind this by undoing these 10mm bolts. But I'm not going to do that for the sake of this video. And if you just look at these stars, this is basically where our poppers go back into. Now something that always happens with me is the bit of trim falls off. Now that's perfectly fine, it's nice and easy to put back on. If you look on one side, there's a bit of fuzzy felt. If you imagine that's facing upwards against the window, you just go ahead and slide that neatly back in, and then the door card actually sits into this groove here. Just to show you again, that's the groove that the door card sits in. Nice and easy to put on. Now to replace the panel, we're going to start off again by putting our electrical connection straight back in. Then we're going to start lining the panel up with the seal like I showed you a second ago. Just got to slide it down, and then you need to start getting this popper in first that's there, and then you can actually work it around the door handle. Once you get to that point, you can literally just go all the way around, clicking it in. And then we're going to just reinstall our screws. And there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace a door card on a 2009 Jeep Wrangler. This is obviously a JK Sport model. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.